how to remove Ask Meta AI from your WhatsApp chat. If you don't know, WhatsApp is also owned by Meta and you can enable Meta AI in certain regions. It's not available in my region, so I'm not able to connect to it. But if you have it and want to remove it, you can just follow these steps. If you have a search bar on your WhatsApp, it will say Ask Meta AI, or you can even create a chat with Meta AI. So to do that, you just go to your chat and type in @Meta AI. It's not available in my region, so I'm not able to do it. But if you have it, then many people will tell you if you want to remove it, just go to your settings and your chats. But there is no possible option to turn it off from here. So what you have to do is first archive your Meta AI chat and then go to your WhatsApp's app info. Just go to your app info and here you will see the version of your app. So if you scroll all the way down here, you can see the version. It's the updated version. So in order for you to remove it, you just have to install an older version of WhatsApp. So in order to do that, just go back, open any web browser you have, and then search for WhatsApp previous version. Alright, so once you do that, just tap on this link right here, WhatsApp old versions. And as you can see, this one right here is the latest version of WhatsApp, but if you scroll down a bit, you'll see some older versions where the Meta AI update is not here. So you can download these versions from here and download the APK files. Then finally install the application. That way your Meta AI will be removed from WhatsApp. This is the only possible way for now you to remove WhatsApp Meta AI. But in the future, if there are any other methods, be sure to subscribe to the channel and we'll let you guys know. That is all for today's video. I'll see you on the next one.